All right, this recording is 6.7.5, our challenge lab for formatting tables and charts. All right, on slide 4, we're going to apply the header row and banded columns to our table. So this is very similar to what we did in Excel. So go to the table design, and we want to add header row and banded columns. On slide 4 again, we are inserting a new column to the far right side of the table. So again, we can go into our layout, and we want to insert a column to the right. On slide 2, we're going to add a year column of data with the following quarterly numbers. So with this, we actually need to go and edit the data. And we want to do, on the top here, we're going to add year 4. Oops. And quarter 1 should be 52,000. Quarter 2 should be 82,000. Quarter 3 should be 71,000. And quarter 4 should be 91,000. Task 7 has us go back to slide number 4, and we're changing the table style. So let's go into our table design tab, and it says choose one of your choice. I like purple, so I'm going to use that one. Task number 7 has us on slide 2, and we want to display our data labels. So with this, we can click on our chart element, and we can click here and select table data labels. On slide 2, again, apply a new chart style of our choice, and I'm going to click this one here. Okay. On slide 3, we're going to create a new chart with the following specifications. So with this, we're going to select a chart, and we want a pie chart. So we're going to do the default one here. And with our information, row 1 is going to be blank. Row 2 should say spicy buffalo. Then veggie, mushroom Swiss, and bacon cheddar. Then our column B is going to be popularity. Make sure you spell it right, or it won't give you credit and move you on. 39, 32, 20, and 9. And as you can see, there's my information, and there's my chart as I added it in. Task 4 has us on slide 2, and we're going to click on that chart, and it wants us to change the chart type, which is right here, and we're going to change it to a pie chart. I'm going to click that one. It doesn't want us to do anything but the default one, so click that and click OK. Task 3 is taking us to slide number 5, and this one, using the content placeholder, we're going to insert a new table that will have 4 columns and 3 rows. Click OK. Task 2 has us going to slide 2. We're going to change the chart title to years, so years 3 to 4. So you can click on that. It's not going to let us change that. Here, and we're going to come up here, 3-4. Let's see if, the chart title. Apparently it doesn't want us to change the title. Over the last one, it wasn't letting me do click on it and enter it, but you should be able to double click on the title here like this and type years 3-4, and it should have corrected it. All right, but for this one, we're going to slide 4, and we're going to merge the cells in the top row. I'm going to select these two, table design, go to layout, and we want to merge the cells, and then modify the text in the top row to say brand elements. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to select and type brand elements and change the font size of the text. Oops. I'll undo all that. We want the font size to be 20. So I'm going to click this and go down to 20, and that's it.